Student, today we are going to see the next topic, that is scales. Uh, there are mainly, you can see these scales which are found in the specifically in the group of Pisces, and if you are going to see the study of this type of scales, mainly the placoid scale, cycloid scale and ctenoid scales, the commonly which are economically important and edible species of fishes. These three type of the scales which are present on these common fishes. And another one and two example of the scale is there, that is gamboid scales, rhomboid scales. These are the two types of the scales which are found in a rare species of the fishes. So now, what is mean by the scales? Basically, each of the small, thin, horny or bony plates protecting the skin of fish and reptiles, typically overlapping one another. So you can see this one by one scales they are present. Some animals, the scales they are using for the respirations. Some scales they are using for the tolerance of their temperature and other water parameters. And you can say these reptiles basically they are using the scales for the protection. So their scale is a small rigid plate that grows out of an animal skin to provide the protection mainly. Generally, it is classified as a part of an organism's the integumentary system. As you can see, this study of the scale is called as the schematology. Schematology means these scales they are found one by one, and this schematology, these one by one scales which are differently present in their body. So how their development and the location of this scale is, it is produced in the mesoderm, located between the epidermis and the underlying tissues. The genes responsible for the development of scales in fish are same that result in hair and tooth development in the mammals. They usually grow on a fish in overlapping plates with the free end of the scale pointed towards the tail. And the question will be arise in the mind, what is the uses, what is the importance and function of the scale is. It provides external protection to its body as scales are tough and slippery. It helps to protect a fish from scrapes, parasites and other external injuries. Because they are all attached at only one point, they provide flexibility so that the scales can slide over each other as the fish body bends while swimming. When these scales also they are using for the swimming purpose, and they are tolerance of their capacity to develop the skin. So if you are going to see the types of scales, there are different types of fish scales which are present. The cosmoid, ganoid, placoid, leptoid,